Hello, Prep Stars. Welcome back to another exciting science adventure. Today, we're going to learn about something super important. It's something that helps us move, play, talk, laugh, and even sleep. It is everywhere around us and inside us. What is it? It's called energy. Yep, that's right. And you know what's funny? You can't always see it or touch it, but energy is what makes the sun shine and the wind blow. It's the power that helps you run super fast around the playground, and it's even what helps a tiny little flower grow. Now that is an excellent question. Energy kind of sounds like a big, serious science word, doesn't it? But you know what? It's actually something we see and feel every single second. So come on, let's dive in and find out exactly what it is together. Okay, first things first, we're gonna uncover the secret definition of energy. I want you to think of it like we're discovering the secret identity of a superhero that powers our entire world. And here it is. The definition is actually super simple: the ability to do work or cause a change. Now that phrase, doing work, is just a sciencey way of saying the power to make things happen. So whether it's you kicking a soccer ball across the field or just a light bulb glowing in your room, yep, that's energy at work. And listen, when we say work, we're not just talking about homework. Nope. In science, work means any kind of action. So when you run, you're using energy to make your legs move. When a plant grows taller and taller towards the sun, it's using energy. And when your favorite toy car zooms across the floor, you guessed it, that's energy making it go. All right, now this is cool. Energy basically comes in two main types. And to make it super easy to remember, let's just call them waiting energy and action energy. Get ready, because you're about to meet two new kinds of superpowers.
Okay, so on one side, we have what scientists call potential energy. That's our waiting energy. It's all stored up, ready and waiting, just like a superhero crouching on a rooftop, full of power but not moving yet. And then on the other side, bam, that potential energy transforms into kinetic energy, our action energy. This is when our superhero finally leaps into the sky and starts flying. It's the energy of pure action and movement.
Okay, let's look at some real-life examples of this waiting energy. Picture a big rock just sitting at the very top of a cliff. It's not moving, right? But it has the potential to fall. Or how about a stretched rubber band? Or an arrow pulled all the way back on a bowstring? It's just waiting to be let go. Even the food we eat, it's packed with stored energy, just waiting for us to go play and use it all up. And now, watch this. When all that potential energy gets released, it becomes action energy. That rock at the top of the cliff, it starts falling. The rubber band snaps and flies through the air. The arrow soars towards its target. And you, after you eat your lunch, you have all that kinetic energy to run, jump, and play on the playground. See? All that stored up power is now on the move. Okay, so we've got waiting energy and action energy. Got it. But guess what? Energy also comes in a bunch of different forms, kind of like different flavors of ice cream. And you see these different flavors every single day. Let's check a few of them out. First up, light energy. This one's pretty obvious, right? It's the energy that lets us see everything around us. It comes from the big, bright sun, sure, but also from the lamp in your room or even the screen you're watching right this very second. Quick, look around. Can you spot anything else that's making light? Ooh, next up is heat energy. Scientists sometimes call it thermal energy. Go ahead, feel how warm your hands are right now. Yep, that's heat energy. It's that cozy feeling you get from a campfire or the warmth of the sun on your face, and it's what cooks your dinner in the oven. Basically, heat energy is what makes things feel all warm and toasty. Shh, listen. Can you hear that? Maybe my voice? That's sound energy. It's made by things wiggling back and forth really, really fast. We call those vibrations. So every time you talk or clap your hands or listen to your favorite song, you're making or hearing sound energy as it travels right through the air to your ears. So cool.
And last but not least, we've got a big one we use all the time: electrical energy. This is the stuff that flows through wires to power our lights, our tablets, our video games, and the refrigerator. Just think about all the things you have to plug into a wall outlet. All of that is electrical energy doing its job. It's a super, super powerful form of energy that we use, well, every single day.
Okay, now that you know about all these different types of energy, I think it's time for a mission.
Are you ready? I want you to become energy detectives. Let's put on our detective hats and start looking for clues and spotting all this energy in the world around us.
Seriously, think about it. Just look around the room you're in right now. I bet you can find at least 3 different types of energy without even moving from your spot. What do you see? Go on, take a look. All right, detectives, let's take a closer look and investigate this house together. Now, it might look pretty quiet from the outside, but I promise you, it's absolutely buzzing with all kinds of energy. Time to write up our official Energy Detectives report. Okay, here's what our report says. Case file number 1, the TV. It's a great clue because it uses electrical energy to make both light and sound energy. Awesome. What's next? Oh, the sun. It's shining through the window with light and heat energy. And check this out. The people inside are moving around using chemical energy that they got from their food. Even the refrigerator is using electrical energy to keep things cold. See? I told you, energy is everywhere and it's always changing from one form into another. And that really is the big secret, isn't it? From the sun that warms our faces to the food that fuels all our fun, energy is everywhere. It is the power behind absolutely everything we do. Well done, Prep Stars. Today, we discovered that energy is what makes things work, and we explored all the different ways we use it every single day. We also learned about different types of energy, like light, heat, sound, and even the energy of movement. You did an amazing job learning today, so keep being an energy detective. Keep looking around your home and your school to spot things that use energy. I'll see you in our next fun science lesson. Keep shining and keep learning.